Hello everyone. Apologies for the bit of delay, but we have now everything settled on the technology side, and I welcome every single one of you to the greatest programming quiz ever quoted by us, so you can trust it. And this quiz will definitely stir up the steel water and decide who has nerves of steel. So please pay attention. You will be required to use your mobile phones to join the quiz, and then that way we will see who is in lead. And let me go on to the next slide. So this is me. My name is Czizmadia Szabolcs. I've been a front-end engineer and as well as an engineer ever since 2019 professionally. And I joined this company that I represent right now, Dynamic Solutions, a year ago. And this is a wonderful place to be. Because who are we? We are Dynamic Solutions. You can reach our website at ds.pl. And we currently have 4 offices, 3 of which are located in Poland, Warsaw, Białystok, which is the homeland of the company, and Poznan. And as well as we have the first office opened in Hungary, which is Debrecen. And our main focus is mainly enterprise web development. So if any of you are familiar with AEM development or have heard of AEM, which is a content management system, then you might be familiar with what we do. And on to the next one. This is the list of our clients currently. So we have Cognizant, NetCentric, DEIK, Polish Airlines, which is abbreviated, and Ryanair, as well as Groundfog, which is a German company. I work on client projects for Groundfog right now, just as an extra. And what are the rules? So the rules might be a bit empty, but I have it on myself right here. So, am I audible? So the questions are shown on the display. The possible answers are visible in the application on your phones, and only one answer is correct always. You will have 30 to 60 seconds to answer each question. 60 seconds will be reserved for the slightly longer questions, and then the speed of the response does matter. You still have to be correct. That's the best stuff. And mark the correct answer as soon as possible because of that. And the ranking will be displayed after each question, so you will see and compete against each other live. And the highest scorer will be the winner. And I think this is where we will start sharing the other window. So soon I will show you a QR code that you can scan. And now you will see it. Please try to scan the QR code, and if you cannot, then there's also a little link to the website and then a code. So it's just like Menti if you ever used Menti before. And I will see the line joiners while we speak. So everyone just settling right, grab your phones, and we will shortly fill up the room. And as soon as everybody is ready, we will start off the quiz. Okay. Let's see how are we standing. There are around 40 people joining already. 45, 46. I'm trying to do some quick maths, but I'm not sure how many of us are here. Yeah, please feel free to come closer if the QR code is not visible from the back. Okay, we are standing at 58. Yeah, 60. Okay. I will leave you guys a couple more seconds to join. As soon as we begin, everybody joins, we begin. And if anyone were to be having any technical difficulties, just try to refresh the site, and that will probably fix it. Okay, I still see the numbers growing just slightly. 67, okay. I will give you guys 30 more seconds to join, so if anyone didn't join yet, please do it right now. Yeah, 70. And while we are waiting, I will share some interesting details with you about the test itself. So just to demonstrate that how important the IT industry really is nowadays and how rapidly it is growing, we took the liberty and had these tests with the help of ChatGPT. So with a bit of nudging, of course, because ChatGPT can do not so smart things sometimes, but yeah, so just so you know that ChatGPT was a great help in assembling this test. Okay, and these are the last seconds, so I will start the quiz soon. If anybody will join, too bad. And we are live in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so you will see the question on the screen and the answers will appear on your mobile phones, people. Which of the following is not a primitive data type in Java? And you also have to press OK in the end. So I believe in the corner is an OK button. You have to choose your answer and then press OK. That's how it registers it. So make sure you press OK, otherwise you will not get points. And time is up for this one. Just, I think it's a bit slow. Some technical difficulties. Okay, let me try to refresh the page. Okay. That's a bummer. What buttons do we have here? Skip this activity now. I want to read the phrase, and it's not going on. Cannot. I think we will restart the test, unfortunately, because it just broke. So, okay, everybody, I'm terribly sorry for the technical mishaps. Here is another QR code, and please try to join once again. I'm so sorry. Apparently, it did not favor us today. So we were around 70 people. So let's hope everybody still has the spirit to join and compete against each other. Yeah, 42. People are fast. Great, keep it going. I think you will deserve some special prize in the end. Okay, 68, 69. $70. Okay, I think we can start again. So anyone who wants to join, please grab the QR code quickly or the code at the top right corner. I will start the quiz in 3 seconds. So 3, 2, 1, go. And rules are the same, so you have to choose one. Always one. So which of the following is not a primitive data type in Java? And remember, you have to press the OK button in the right corner.
Could you please check if it's working? Because the say it's not working.
So is it not working? Okay. So we tested it, but just not with 70 people, it seems. Okay, so what shall we do? Let me try. So will it be working for everybody? No, okay. I would say let's just. Okay, then I think we'll try the next question, and that if that's not working too, I will just go one by one and ask you directly about the questions, and maybe we can do some shouting or something similar, because this seems like train wreck. Okay, what is GraalVM? Does this question show up on your phones for the answers as well? Not? Okay. Okay. So for anyone whose phone this is not working, please try to rejoin using the QR code, and we will not count the first 2 questions. Okay, for the people before this was not working, could you try rejoining using the QR code in the corner? Okay. Did everybody manage to rejoin? Is it working now? Okay, let's move on to the next question. So there are people already. Let's see. What does the IFI abbreviation stands for in JavaScript? Okay, time is up. And I think this was much more successful. So the correct answer was an immediately invoked function expression. And sorry for the previous 2. I believe the first one was which of the statements. I don't remember it, unfortunately. But the second answer was a high-performance Java GDK. Okay, on to the next. Letterbird is updating. Let's go. What is the purpose of the script tag in HTML? And you only have 15 seconds for this one, as it seems for some reason. Yeah, it seems it broke again. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Maybe to play like when you're in the end, like.
Yeah. But the problem is with the service, so
Yeah.
it's just. A végén voltam. Összes mondtam, hogy probléma, valami
Okay, people, I'm terribly sorry. Give this one more chance, and if it's not working, then I will just go to the questions one by one, and we will go to the quiz anyway, and we will figure out something to distribute the gifts. So sorry. Maybe we should have used Menti.
I will join as well.
Okay, so 66. Couple more, and we will try again. $69. Okay. Is everyone ready? I will be starting the quiz in a couple of seconds. 3, 2, 1, and go. So you might be already familiar with the first questions. Which of the following is not a primitive data type in Java? Okay. Let's just leave this as is. And does anybody know the answer to this one? Just hand in the air. Okay, you are the first. It's a string. Yes. Next one. Okay. I will just go to the questions from my tablet here. Okay, so next question. Pay attention, please. What is VM? Option A, high-performance distribution of Java development kit. Option B, a virtual machine used for running Python scripts. Option C, a web browser developed by Oracle. You on the back? It's option A. Yes, it is. Okay. Joanna, can I ask you to try to know who are the fastest? Okay. Next question. What does the IFI abbreviation stand for in JavaScript? First option, A, Intelligent Internet Function Engine. B option, Interactive Intrinsic Function Evaluation. C option, Immediate Window Function Expression. Yes, it's C.
Who was that? Sorry.
No, it was him. Or maybe you. Let's just give the point to both.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. What is the purpose of the... So, in a moment. So what is the purpose of the script tag in HTML? Option A, to encode JavaScript code in a web page. Option B, to specify the character encoding of a web page. Option C, to create a hyperlink. Yeah. One. Yeah. Option A, it is. Next question. Which of the following is not a valid Java modifier in Java? Static is option A, virtual is option B, and private is option C. Yes? Yes, it's virtual. It is B, the answer. Anyone who just can answer it, just note it down and continue, because unfortunately I cannot pay attention to multiple places. Okay, this one is apparently a coding one, so I will try to share it somehow.
And we maybe use people are living. Let's put more space. My three very complicated questions, so one who knows three answers can like take them first. Yeah. We'd like. Take like a complicated one and the person who knows all the questions.
Okay, so as this is clearly off the rails, we have an idea to continue. So we'll just jump through all the questions, and at the end, I will come up with 3 random questions, and whoever answers it correctly
3 of them.
will be the winners. So just so we can distribute our nice gifts. And for the presentation,
I will pick like the fastest people. So someone who puts the hand first, I will pick the first.
Okay. So, which of the following is not a valid way to create an object in Java? The correct answer is already marked, but does anybody know why? Yeah? So does anybody know why this is the correct one?
Yeah, because and the second one we did Neo.
Yeah.
Neo.
Next question. Yeah, of course, I will try.
Yes.
So what is a primary key in a database? I think the answer is quite obvious. A column that uniquely identifies each row in a table. Next question is, which of the following is not a type of network topology? And of course, it's square, because the answer is right there. Next one, what is the difference between a stack and a queue data structure? So anybody who has learned data structures in university knows that it is obviously a stack is last in, first out, while a queue is first in, first out. Repo, yes. Next question, what is the purpose of a linker in the compilation process? And it's linking objects together and files together as an executable file. That's why it has it in its name that it's a linker.
Hypertext. Hypertext.
So, sorry? What is the, yes, it's a 200. Yeah. So other options were 300 and 400. Next one, what is the primary purpose of just-in-time git compilation in modern programming languages? Anybody knows the answer?
I think he meant by zoom in and by show that seven down take.
Yeah, that was
Oh, like that. I think it's not visible right now. Oh.
the let's scroll back, like without showing like the last.
Right. Oh, I see. Okay. Sorry, people, my mind is really slow today.
Yeah, we didn't expect that kind of trouble.
Okay, so these are the answers.
We know the answer?
Two.
Two. Okay.
Yes, it's answer. The answer is 2. What is the main advantage of using a sessionless approach in web development? Is it improves? No. No is the first one. So it's not the third one because the server side utilization can be.
Security. For security.
Yeah, it's improves scalability and performance.
Session is using for security purposes.
Yeah, so it's easier to scale the applications when there are no sessions involved, but it doesn't necessarily mean that reduced server-side resources will be used because it depends on the implementation. Which of the following is not a control statement in Java? Enum if while. Yeah, enum. What is the output of the following code? That is easy. Okay. Okay, so the zoom button is broken for some reason. Okay, let me try to do it this way. Is it better?
Yes.
Okay, so I will give you a couple of seconds and let's just try to answer it. Yes, it's an error because the, yeah, it's not initialized. Okay, which of the following is not a valid way to declare and initialize a variable in Java? No, not G. The first one, because it's an integer and we're assigning a string value to it. So the Java compiler will complain to us. The first one, because it's assigning a string to an integer. Okay. How many primitive data types are there in total in the JavaScript language? Is 6, 7, or 8? 7, yes. And can you say them all? Yeah, it's a long list.
Try and like indicate 7 of them.
Okay, for the one of the prizes, can anybody say all 7?
Integer.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, integer.
Character.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I heard it, but there is 7.
Integer.
Integer, yes.
Character.
There is
Boolean.
boolean. Yeah. String. Then there is undefined now, symbol, and begin. Not enough. String is a primitive as well in JavaScript. Not Java, JavaScript. Okay, okay, we are almost at the end. Okay, so prepare the following is not a valid way. Already done it. How many primitive data types? So last 3 questions. Which of the following is not a programming paradigm? Pair programming, object-oriented programming, or structured programming? Yes. First, yes. Is the first. Pair programming is a thing, but it's not a paradigm. Which of the following is an advantage of using control software? Automatically backing up code changes, allowing multiple people to work on the same simultaneously, or prevent errors in the code from occurring. Yes. Yes, second option. And what is there to tell the following code? Let me zoom in once again. And here we have a special question as well. So anybody knows what's the output? Yes? 501, yes. I already read it currently, but why is it working? Does anybody know what concept is it using in the background so that it's working?
How it's work? How this one?
So you see, function is defined after the console log statement. Why is it working?
We call it for the function from the.
Anybody familiar with hoisting in JavaScript? There is a thing called that. So it basically takes all your vars and functions and puts it right at the top when compiling the code. So it's a bit of a quirk. And I believe that was it. Thanks everybody for this wonderful, wonderful experience.